Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate log rotation using logrotate on VPS step by step clearly. To activate log rotation using logrotate on your VPS, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Log in using your preferred terminal application. Use your username and the IP address of the VPS. Once logged in, update your package list to ensure you have the latest software. Run the command sudo apt update. Next, install logrotate if it is not already installed. Use the command sudo apt install logrotate. After installation, you need to locate the logrotate configuration file. This file is typically found in the directory /etc/logrotate.conf. Open it using a text editor of your choice, like Nano or Vim. For example, you can type sudo nano /etc/logrotate.conf. In this file, you will see global settings for log rotation. Adjust the frequency of log rotation to your preference. The options include daily, weekly, and monthly. To manage specific logs, navigate to the /etc/logrotate.d/ directory. This directory contains individual configuration files for different services. You can create a new configuration file for your application or service. For instance, type sudo nano /etc/logrotate.d/myapp. In this file, define the log file you want to manage. For example, use /var/log/myapp.log. Next, specify how often you want this log to be rotated. You can use directives, such as weekly. Set the maximum number of rotated logs to keep. For example, you can add rotate 4. You may want to compress old log files to save space. Add the directive compress. Finally, save the configuration file and exit the text editor. To test your logrotate configuration, run the command sudo logrotate d/etc/logrotate.conf. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.